Is your Tesla Model 3's rear middle seatbelt stuck? You're not alone. This is a common issue, especially in models manufactured between 2017 and 2022. The problem usually stems from a locked retractor or a jammed belt mechanism. We'll break down the causes and how to fix it. To diagnose the problem, first locate the seatbelt retractor in the rear middle seat. This is where the belt mechanism is housed. Determine if the retractor is completely locked or simply jammed. A locked retractor won't budge at all. The belt stays firmly in place. A jammed belt might move a little but is difficult to extend or retract fully. Try gently pulling the belt at different angles to see if it frees up. Check for any visible obstructions or kinks in the belt. Use the component diagram to identify parts. Before diving into more complex solutions, try a simple reset. Slowly pull the seatbelt out to its full extension, then retract it fully, ensuring there are no twists or kinks. Repeat this process 5 to 10 times. This can realign the internal mechanism and release a stuck locking bar. If the reset procedure doesn't resolve the stuck seatbelt, lubrication can often provide a simple solution. Use a silicone-based lubricant specifically designed for this purpose, such as WD-40 Specialist Silicone. Apply only a small amount directly to the retractor spool, being very careful not to get any lubricant on the webbing itself. This prevents the belt from slipping during use, which could compromise safety. After applying the lubricant, work the seat belt in and out several times to help distribute it evenly throughout the mechanism. This often restores smooth operation without requiring professional repair. For newer Model 3s from 2024 onwards, use the Tesla mobile app to diagnose seatbelt issues. Look for the Seatbelt Health Check diagnostic feature, available in version 12.5 or later. This feature scans the retractor for errors and suggests reset procedures, potentially fixing the problem with a simple software command. According to Tesla's data, this approach has reduced reported incidents by 40%. Carefully inspect the seatbelt webbing and buckle for any damage. Look for frayed edges, tears, or bent buckles. Damaged components can cause the belt to jam or the retractor to lock. If you find any damage, the seatbelt should be replaced. If the simple fixes like resetting the retractor or applying lubrication don't resolve the issue, or if you notice signs of more serious problems, such as frayed webbing, bent buckles, or persistent jamming, it's time to seek professional help. Contact a Tesla service center for a thorough inspection. They can diagnose issues using advanced tools and perform repairs or replacements under Tesla's extended warranty for seatbelt components. Tesla's extended warranty covers seatbelt components for up to 8 years or 100,000 miles, including thorough inspections and necessary replacements to ensure your vehicle's safety. Always prioritize safety. Never attempt to bypass the locking feature of the seatbelt. After any DIY fix, ensure the seatbelt functions correctly and locks during sudden movements. If you're unsure about any repair, consult a professional. For older models, refer to the 2020 NHTSA recall 20 Vol 192.